Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Electrical Car Repair Live, thank you guys for watching, subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll work on a Ford Focus Mk3 guys, generation 2012, 2017, 18 even. And if you guys have a problem with your BCM, which is the body control module, we'll show you which fuses to check for it, because there are two fuses in the under the hood in the engine compartment fuse box that relate to the BCM. Let me show you where your BCM module is located first. You need to remove your glove box. Okay, we have that already done. The video is on the channel. Let me flip the camera sideways. Okay, this is your BCM. All the wires here. Okay, all the fuses, check it out. This is your body control module. This is pretty much the module that controls everything inside your car. So, if you open your hood now and locate the fuse box, which is on the very right side next to your car battery. Okay, we need to go ahead and open this one now. There is one clip on the back side. In this clip you will need to lift it this way, okay, so it can come out of the teeth, then pull up like that, and then okay, you need to get it out on the front. It has two small clips that hold. Okay, perfect. Okay, this is the clip I'm talking about, check it out. Now we need to locate two fuses. Okay, the first one is fuse number 11, F11. And on the back side of the fuse box you can see the numbers. This is one, guys, F11. So in our case you have to always double check your car module, car model, year and all that stuff. Our case it's 30 amp fuse. Okay, this is F11 right here. And if you come close you can check out if the fuse is burnt or not. You can see the two elements inside, the copper wires. They do not look burned, but in case you need to remove it, I'll show you what we usually do. I'll recommend a plastic tool for removing the fuses, because you can short something out or burn something. But in our case, I'm going to go ahead and do it just with a screwdriver here. Okay, and you have to be gentle not to damage the fuse next to it. So kind of like shake it a little bit, and on the other side help it come out. Okay, as well. Okay guys, and this is one of the fuses. Okay, when you're ready to install it, all you have to do is just push it in. All the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video, so make sure you check it out. The second fuse, guys, is number 41. Okay, 41 will be the very top row, the very right one. This one right here, it's a 20 amp fuse in our case. So we can use the fuse puller, okay, for this fuse now. So grab the puller, pull that clip to the right, okay, and pull your fuse puller out. Now just grab it with the small side like that. Okay, this fuse puller is extremely hard to use in my opinion on an end fuse, because you don't have enough room, okay, to fit there. So you cannot do it with a fuse puller. If it's a fuse next to it, all you have to do, grab it, check it out now, pull it out. But this one, they're always too close, this one is too fat, and it's not going to fit. So what I'm going to do, again, I'll get the small screwdriver and pry that guy out. Okay, right there. This one usually, okay, you can check if it's burned the element inside. Okay, you can see the element going through the fuse. We'll have a hole and it will be kind of blackish burnt, so this one is good in our case as well. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Those are the two fuses for the Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.